Innovation for waste minimization.
In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to present WaterWave to your customer. When you receive your package, you'll get a box like this that contains 2 bottles of WaterWave on the inside. WaterWave places a microfoam coating on the spray gun, reducing the ability for paint to adhere to the surface. When demonstrating WaterWave, you're going to want to open the WaterWave out of the box and hand it to your customer so that they can actively participate. WaterWave is a highly concentrated solution that will be diluted into 5 gallons of water. In this situation, you would hand the WaterWave to them and help them apply it to their current gun cleaning process by pouring the WaterWave into a 5-gallon container of water. WaterWave is a pH-neutral concentration containing an antimicrobial, which prevents the buildup of smell over the course of its use and prevents corrosion on the spray guns. Upon applying WaterWave to your current gun cleaning process, you will be able to observe the microfoam coating that is on the spray gun. WaterWave is used overall to help aid the painter in the cleaning of his guns, improving his gun cleaning process. We always recommend that you take advantage of our free sample process, and in the process of handing out free samples, ensure that the customer is actively participating in the demonstration. We encourage you to check out more of Becca's videos on our YouTube channel and get involved in any way you can.
Innovation for waste minimization.